I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select NEX Forms as a trigger. Choose a form. Click the Fetch button, go to your form page, fill out the form, and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select Action Perfect CRM. Give here an Access API URL and API token. So go to Perfect CRM Dashboard. API CRM Manager. Copy the API URL and paste it here. Then go to API Management. New token. Give here a meaningful name and expiration date. Give all the permission by checking the box. Envier. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose a customer. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Perfect CRM site and go to the customer. Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Perfect CRM site. Thanks for watching.